Hi everyone, let's go ahead and walk through how to download a video testimonial. Today I will be using our demo account to explain how to do this. First, log into your Best Company account, then navigate to the Reviews tab on the left. Next, click All Reviews at the top, and then use the filters on the right-hand side to click Video Reviews Only. Now you will see a list of all of the video reviews that you have received. Find the one that you would like to download, and then click the three dots in the top right-hand corner. Then click Download Video. It will automatically open a new tab displaying the video. Then click Download. Next, select the file size that you would like to download. Now that you have this video testimonial downloaded, you can use it to market your reputation on social media, your website, or anywhere else. Hopefully this has been helpful. Good luck downloading your video testimonials.